on the positions to beat the score 180 points. So let's applaud, let's cheer, let's support them. We are ready. Go! So the robots have started. They are emptying the first two dispensers, the side dispensers, the purple ones. Okay, the blue one also emptied. Now let's approach the line, launch the discs under the fence. Go, 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 wow! It seems like they're going to get many points. So the discs are on the green and blue field, which brings many points so far. Let's hope they are reaching the hand on the furthest line. 10 seconds to go. Try to reach out the hand as far as you can. Go, 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 go! Yeah! Bravo! It seems perfect. So let's wait for the scores. Many points in the game. Will they manage to beat the score 118? Let's wait. Few more seconds. We are all nervous, eager to find out the result. We will see on their faces reaction. Are there going to be smiles on them? Oh, what does it mean? Wow! What a coincidence! What does it mean? The equal score! Wow!